India Today is the only Indian news channel which is currently on ground here in the Lebanon. Behind me you are seeing these huge smoke which is coming out from one of the buildings. This is actually the Iranian embassy here in the Beirut, which has been targeted by the Israeli Air Force. Just a few minutes back we have heard a big bang. We rushed here and we are getting reports that the building from which the smoke is coming out is the embassy of Iran here in the Lebanon. The Israeli defensive forces already had warned that any Iranian visiting to the Lebanon will be targeted, and this may be the start of that escalation. After the war between the Iran, US and Israel, Lebanon is the most hit country in the world after Iran. On regular basis, 50 to 60 buildings and the areas are being targeted by the Israeli Air Force here in the Lebanon, particularly during last 4 days when Hezbollah started its targets in Israel, particularly in the northern parts of Israel, with the rockets and the missiles and drones. The Israel is responding with this huge force, not only in the southern parts of Lebanon, where 50 villages had been asked to vacate and ground invasion has been started by Israeli army, but here in the densely populated part of the Beirut city in the south suburb, on regular basis, buildings are being bombed by IDF. We are listening the drones continuously roaming in the skies, and when the warplanes come with the missiles, no one gets a chance to move for a second because it is so quick that no one can presume when and which building is being targeted here in the Lebanon. Ashrafani for India Today in South Beirut.